Okay boss, nandito tayo sa San Marcelino. Ito yung Pinatubo Craft Beer. So this is where they craft their beer. Now,
a lager.
Yeah.
And then this one is a lager also, but dark beer.
Okay.
And then we have IPA.
They make it.
Oh, they got a Zambales beer.
They make it
We have
beer.
IPA.
Yeah, cool.
Storm. We don't have a lot of stock.
That's fine. I'm pretty easy. I love IPAs. I like
Uh,
lagers. What do you guys like?
well, whatever you like, we like, of course.
Okay, cool.
Service seller,
Yeah?
listener.
Okay, could I get two of those, two of the IPAs?
A small
and
one, sir?
two,
Yeah, 500 and 300 ml.
the small ones are fine.
3 of the Zambales.
Yeah.
And
Oh, yeah. How much is that?
I go after.
Okay, sure. Yeah, just let me know.
Right.
Yeah, they got a lot.
You can sell it.
So this is their air condition po mga boss, no? Yung kanilang brewery. Ganon.
You mix in here and then they transfer it.
Cannons? These cannons?
Exclusive.
Hmm. Siguro, ano to, no? Pinasadya nila.
Opo, alam ko.
Hmm.
Sadya.
So I think these are all fabricated.
Yeah, they're all made here.
They're all made here.
Eats that, and eats the yeast that becomes
So you drink the bacteria's poop, right?
Exactly, 100%. Pretty kinky. Yeah, this is a trash bin. 40 pesos. Oh no, the ice was 40.
And that's 85.
This was actually 85.
85,
so
right.
I think the ice is more valuable personally. But
That's true.
too big. It's too big. Can't fit them all with this giant one in here.
So we're going to register first here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just in case something happens to us. At least
No
they have the
liability.
manifest. But anyway, may meron naman kami life vest, right?
Yes po, mandatory po yan.
Ready?
Okay na tayo, sir?
Yes!
Okay, let's go.
Problema, nakashoes ako. Biglaan kasi itong lakad eh.
Sir, tanggal yung sapatos mo.
Basahin na. Basahin na natin.
Ay, basahin na.
Oo. Well, biglaan po kasi yung lakad namin. Kaya nakasapatos ako mga boss. Ayan o. So, maski ganitong season, maraming pupunta sa Pundakit. Hindi ba kayo nagkakaroon ng ano dito, sir? Wala po bang ano dito, ma'am? Erosion na nangyayari?
Dito sa amin banda, sir, wala naman. Yung mga nasa...
Ayan o, parang nagkaroon ng erosion. Ayan o.
Ito, sir, pag malakas po yung ulan, nagbubukas po yung ilog namin.
Oh, pero ito,
Pag masyadong malakas, sir, binubuksan namin na dito sa gitna.
pero ayun, lumabas na yung tubo ng bomba.
Ano, sir, ganito po talaga dito sa amin. Pag summer, tinatabunan niya.
Okay.
Pag ganito mga panahon, kinakain ng dagat. Pero before summer, babalik din yan.
Hindi ba dahil may dredging?
Wala, sir.
Walang dredging dito?
Ganito na po dito sa amin noon pa.
Okay. Di ba? Maski tagulan, maraming ano, no? Maraming turista.
Oo. Simula nung una kan dun sa Liwa.
Simula nagka-problema sa Liwa, dito na sila pumupunta.
Ano pupunta iba?
Magkano itong bangka?
Ang talagang price po niya is 3,000 to 3,500.
Oo.
Yung sa akin,
Magkano?
2,500.
2.5 lang.
Discounted na po yun.
Oo. Tsaka off-season din kasi ngayon, ano?
Opo.
Oo. Ito yung bangka natin. Nice, ha? Yung bangka natin pang 20 yata to eh. 30 to, sir? Okay. Pwede pala tayong pumunta sa ano, pwede pala tayong pumunta sa Scarborough.
Malayo sir.
Kapag ganitong mga panahon, much safer
Opo.
pagka malaking bangka ang inarkila.
Kaysa sa maliliit po.
First time to ride the bangka?
Yeah, first time on a bangka.
Really?
Yeah.
Waterfalls.
Oh, waterfalls.
Yeah, over there. Yeah, over there. If you walk
Oh, through that cave?
No, not that one. That place, and then you go there.
Yeah, up that mountain.
Up that mountain.
Yeah. Kuya, ano yung mga yun? Mga dredging boats? Mga dredgers?
Around the ridge.
So, doon po may mga dredgers doon. Kaya hindi nila pwedeng sabihin walang dredging na nangyayari sa San Antonio. Yung mga locals na mismo nagsasabi, ayun o.
Buhangin ka, may makikita akong barko yan.
Barko? Pali parang ako ng drone. Ay, ano yung mga dredgers? Capones.
Oh, you got some B-roll now when Mac's talking about guests going island hopping.
Dito ba yung pwede mag-overnight? Hindi.
You getting on?
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on top. Yeah. And we never stop. Music pumping, we just keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we never stop. Shake, shake, shake your honey till the morning. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Yeah, that's what I wanna see you slide, slide, slide. That's what I wanna see you shine, shine, shine. Oh, it's on tonight. Throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah, all my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on time. Ooh, and we never stop. Music pumping, we just keep on rolling. No, we never stop. Shake, shake, shake your honey till the morning. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Yeah, I said I wanna see you slide, slide, slide. Yeah, come on now, now, now. I said I wanna see you shine, shine, shine. I wanna see you.
You got your phones, eh? In your pockets? Wow. Mac, timing yung pagpunta ko sa'yo, ah. Di ba?
Timing ka, kuya.
Ganda. Ganda mga boss, ang ganda ng dagat dito. Yeah. Sinisingil nila tayo ng environmental fee, ano, dito, papunta ng Pundakit. Bago ka makarating dito, sisingilin ka nila ng environmental fee. The problem is, yan, kayo na po ang bahala mag-judge, no? Ang ganda ng surrounding, no? Pero nakakalungkot, hindi nila magawa ng paraan yung mga kalat. Ano yan?
Parang ginagawa ng harang sir.
Okay. Ipunan ng tubig?
Hindi, yung parang floating island.
Ah, alright.
Yung parang pwede mo siyang takbuhan. Di ba yung gumagano pag may
Oo, so nilalagay nila yan dyan sa dagat. Okay.
activity.
Okay. Ngayon, hindi nila nilalagay kasi mga bagyo.
Ganun. Parang ganun lang.
Oh. Boss, pwede ba mag-overnight dito? Pwede po mag-overnight dito?
Pwede naman boss, pero bandang park lang po sa may sand lang po.
Ang overnight? Dito hindi pwede.
Hindi naman po sa amin hindi pwede. Pwede po yung paganto-ganto maki-CR, pero yung mag-stay po, binagbawal rin kasi maminsan. May amo kasi kami dito.
Ah, private to?
Po, private po. Pero pag
Okay.
dito po sa may sand, o kaya dyan sa baba, parang ganyan po sa may ng Guantalisay, pwede po kayo mag-overnight. Wala naman po problema. May kasama naman po kami, dito naman po kami.
Okay, tapos dito, sino may-ari nito?
Taga Manila po eh.
Ano to? Hindi naman yung buong island.
Hindi
Ito
po yung
lang.
buong island to pong kwanto.
Itong area lang na to.
Itong punot na po nito.
Okay. May, kumbaga, ibig sabihin, akala ko sa government to, hindi pala.
Hindi po, may talagang may ari po.
So, titled din to.
Po, titled po.
Ang galing, ha? Well, anyway, mga boss, ang ganda ng area na to, no? Plano kong bumalik dito. Siguro for 3 days or 4 days stay here.
Paano ko pinapalipan mo yung drone mo? Papalit ka.
May drone?
No, there's a different one.
Okay. So, pwede daw magstay dito, ano mga boss? Oo. Yun nga lang, ito po ang nagiging problema, no? Nag-iiwan po sila ng mga kalat. Kaya, syempre, hindi naman natin maiwasan na hindi mapunay ang mga yan. Sana naman yung mga pumupunta dito, diba? Daling yung mga kalat niyo pabalik. Hindi naman po yung mga locals na nagkalat niyan dito eh. Yung mga turistang pumunta dito. Ang ganda ng lugar na to mga boss. Sobra. Ang ganda rin ng buhangin, no? Wow. Parang gusto ko magstay dito ng mga ilang araw. May mga nag-iisda ba dito, boss?
Marami po.
So pwede akong mag-overnight ba dito?
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman, di ba? Magkaibigan naman na tayo, di ba? Tandaan mo ako, ha? Babalik ako dito. Oo. Butchawals TV.
Butchawals TV.
Ayan. Kung mapapansin niyo po, meron ding traces ng black sand dito. Ayan, no? Diba? Meron din siyang black sand. Sana ma-preserve yung lugar na to. Pero kasi may mga nakikita ako mga dredging ships, sinasabi sa akin ng mga locals. So how's the trip?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Love it.
See the erosion?
Pag nag-summer dito,
Yeah. So that's where they dredge?
Pero Jet, pag nag-summer dito,
There's ha?
tataas na. Matatabunan na.
Ibig sabihin matatabunan uli yung ano?
Ganito dito eh.
Okay, babalikan ko to ha.
Mas malala to ngayon.
Kaya nga, babalikan ko to. Kapag yung tubo na yan, hindi yan natabunan uli. Ibig sabihin may problema. Ibig sabihin may problema, di ba? Ibig sabihin apektado ng dredging to.
May gas talaga.
Ayan o, ang laki ng binagsak oh. Yeah? Oh.
4 meters? 2 meters?
2 to 3 meters. Binagsak ng buhangin. Di ba?
Taking my shoes off.
Kaya meron din po silang ano dito. Ayun oh, nag-fishing din sila. We're back here sa so let's what was going to schnitzel?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We gotta see the menu. Could be.
Nice place, no? Okay mga boss, galing kami dito kanina. Medyo basa pa ako ngayon. Matagal ko nang gustong puntahan tong ano eh, itong lugar na to. Yan. Kegulator. Kegulator. Percolator kasi mainit, di ba? Kegulator. Ano? Nice. So, different flavors po yan, mga boss.
Sure.
So,
We had dinner and it's already.
so this is ito sa akin.
Yes. Baka magkabalik kayo ng order po.
You went around and then do it here. Well, I'd love to hear that from my girl.
Yeah. So elaborate.
Well, boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. So I'm here with Shane from Canada. So we had our meal here in what was this name? Pinatubo Brewery. Pinatubo Brewery. So we had some beer and we had some German sausage,
German potato salad.
German potatoes. So what can you say about the salad?
This is why I come to the Philippines, is to have that authentic German cuisine.
All right.
That's why I flew 20 hours to
All
get
right, I
here.
like your sense of humor, right? So this is a German Filipino salad, you mean to say?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Anyway, they have good beers here actually.
It was really good.
It's brewed in the house. You know, it's kind of unique, and well, it's a very common meal.
Yeah.
German.
It's a classic German.
Classic German sausage. What did you order?
I don't remember. I think I got the Bockwurst.
Bockwurst.
Which is it's a sausage cooked in a dark lager.
Well, I forgot what I ordered, but anyway.
You got the Bratwurst.
I can't pronounce it. You know.
Bratwurst.
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 you know when you say brat,
Brat.
you know what brat means here?
What?
Dick.
It means dick?
Yeah,
Yeah, you
dick.
got the worst dick.
Yeah. All right, mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. I hope you enjoyed the video. So we're going to wrap it up. At maraming salamat sa inyo for watching this video. Till the next video, mga boss, mga ma'am, mga sir. Ciao.